If you feel that the weight of the world is crushing your shoulders and the weariness of your soul no longer lets you walk, stop now and listen to the Master's voice. These are not just words. They are a decree of relief and a promise of supernatural renewal. Jesus does not just want you to endure the burden. He wants to exchange it for the peace that the world cannot give. Open your heart to the sweetest invitation in history. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. Psalm 1 is not just a poem. It is a spiritual map for those who desire to live under God's protection and see prosperity flourish in every area of life. It teaches us that there is a path of deliverance from wrong counsel and an unshakable promise. The one who meditates on the word of the Lord will be like a tree planted by the water, yielding fruit in its season, with leaves that never wither. Receive this divine direction for your life now. Blessed is the one who does not walk in step with the wicked, or stand in the way that sinners take, or sit in the company of mockers, but whose delight is in the law of the Lord, and who meditates on his law day and night. That person is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever they do prospers. Not so the wicked. They are like chaff that the wind blows away. Therefore, the wicked will not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the assembly of the righteous. For the Lord watches over the way of the righteous, but the way of the wicked leads to destruction. Psalm 23, the source of abundance and refreshment. This psalm activates divine provision and inner peace, ensuring that even in times of scarcity, you overflow with favor, rest, and perfect spiritual direction. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.